Hey, entrepreneurs, creators, hustlers, Faig here, and let's get real for a minute. Trying to scale your business without the right systems in place, it's like trying to build a skyscraper with toothpicks. You're grinding, but are you actually growing? If you're drowning in spreadsheets, struggling to track inventory, or just feeling the chaos of a business that's growing faster than your ability to manage it, you're in the right place. We're diving deep into the world of operations management software, and I'm giving you the no BS guide to finding the perfect fit for your business. Listen, I've been there. In the early days of Wine Library, we were hustling, but we were also making it up as we went along. It wasn't until we started implementing systems and software that things really took off. The right software can be a game changer, but only if you choose wisely. That's what we're talking about today. We're not just skimming the surface here, we're going deep. From identifying your needs to evaluating vendors, you'll walk away from this video with the knowledge you need to make a decision that will transform your business. So grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's do this. Before you even start browsing software options, we need to pump the brakes and get real about your business. What's working? What's making you want to pull your hair out? Are you drowning in inventory paperwork? Are your project deadlines slipping through the cracks? This isn't about finding a magic software bullet, it's about identifying your unique pain points. Once you know what you need to fix, you can start looking for a solution that fits like a glove. Trust me, this step is crucial. Don't even think about skipping ahead. Okay, so you've got a handle on your business needs. Now it's time to talk features. This is where things can get overwhelming, I know. There are a million different software options out there, each with its own laundry list of bells and whistles. Don't get distracted by the shiny objects. Go back to your list of pain points. Do you need help with workflow automation? Are you looking for real-time data tracking? Make a list of the must-have features and use that as your guide. Remember, the goal is to find software that solves your specific problems, not just the one with the most features. Let's talk about integration, baby. The last thing you want is a bunch of different software programs that don't talk to each other. That's a recipe for disaster. When you're evaluating software, make sure it integrates seamlessly with your existing systems. Do you use a CRM, accounting software? Make sure your new operations management software can play nice with the tools you're already using. Trust me, this will save you a ton of headaches down the road. Chapter 4, Step 4, User-friendly or user-frustrated. Don't underestimate usability. Let's be real. Nobody wants to use software that feels like it was designed by a team of robots. If the interface is clunky and confusing, your team is going to resist using it. And that defeats the whole purpose, right? When you're evaluating software, pay close attention to the user interface. Is it intuitive? Is it easy to navigate? Don't be afraid to ask for a demo or trial period so you can test it out for yourself. Remember, the easier the software is to use, the more likely your team is to actually use it. Chapter 5. Step 5. Don't just take their word for it. Check that vendor reputation. We're talking about making a significant investment in your business here, so you better do your due diligence. Don't just take the software company's word for it. Look for reviews from other businesses that have used the software. What do they have to say? Are they happy with the product, the support? Dig deep and get the real story. Remember, this is a big decision. Don't be afraid to ask tough questions and demand transparency. Chapter 6. Step 6. Security and compliance. Protect your business, protect your data. In today's digital world, security is non-negotiable. You need to make sure your data is protected, plain and simple. When you're evaluating software, ask about their security measures. Do they have robust data encryption? What about backup and recovery options? These are critical questions that you need answers to. Don't compromise on security ever. It's not worth the risk. Chapter 7. Step 7. Show me the money, understanding the costs. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Money. Software can get expensive, so you need to go in with your eyes wide open. Don't just focus on the initial price tag. Consider the total cost of ownership. Are there implementation fees, training costs, ongoing maintenance charges? Get a clear understanding of all the costs involved before you commit. Remember, transparency is key. Chapter 8. Step 8. Kick the tires. Demos and trials are your best friend. Don't you dare buy software without test driving it first. Most reputable companies offer demos or trial periods for a reason. This is your chance to take the software for a spin and see how it works in the real world. Get your team involved in the testing process. Let them get their hands dirty and provide feedback. This is invaluable information that will help you make the best decision for your business. Remember, hands-on experience is everything. Know you've been a good friend. Chapter 9. Step 9. When in doubt, phone a friend. Seek expert advice. Sometimes you need to call in the big guns. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about which direction to go, don't be afraid to seek expert advice. There are plenty of IT consultants and operations management experts who can provide valuable insights and guidance. They can help you navigate the complex world of software and make sure you're asking the right questions. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. Chapter 10. Step 10. Alpha FAM Management, your secret weapon for software success. Okay, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Sometimes you need more than just software, you need a partner. That's where Alpha FAM Management comes in. We're not just another software company, we're your dedicated team of experts who will guide you every step of the way. From identifying your needs to implementing the perfect solution, we've got you covered. We'll even handle the ongoing configuration and adjustments to make sure the software grows with your business. With Alpha FAM Management, you're not just buying software, you're investing in a partnership. Chapter 11. Step 11. Making the call time to choose your software champion. You've done your research, you've talked to the experts, you've kicked the tires. Now it's time to make a decision. Go back to your original list of pain points and your budget. Which software solution checks all the boxes? Which one feels like the right fit for your business? Trust your gut, make the call, and get ready to take your business to the next level. You got this. Now go crush it. There you have it, my friend. The No BS guide to choosing the right operations management software for your business. Listen, I know this can feel overwhelming, but I promise you, it doesn't have to be. Take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask for help. The right software can be a game changer for your business. It can streamline your operations, boost your efficiency, and free up your time so you can focus on what you do best. Growing your empire. Now go out there and crush it.